Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and I'm here today in Las Vegas on the wonderful Las Vegas Strip to check out Giada De Laurentiis' house, or as she calls it, the Cromwell. I always considered the Cromwell a boutique-ish kind of hotel and casino in Las Vegas, kind of like the Link, only even more boutique-ish if you ask me. Sure, the Link is small and kind of quirky, and I would consider it a boutique-ish hotel and casino, but when you walk into the Link, you still feel like you're in Las Vegas somewhat. When you walk into the Cromwell, I don't get that feeling at all. I don't know about you guys. The Cromwell reminds me of a very small, well-to-do European casino, and the thing is, I've never even been in a European casino, but if I ever was, I think that's what the Cromwell would remind me of, if you know what I mean. And again, that's the vibe I get personally from the Cromwell. You guys might get a completely different vibe. Leave a comment below. But in any event, let's check this place out, shall we? Now, the Cromwell was formerly known as Barbary Coast and Bill's Gambling Hall and Saloon, but now it's kind of like a luxury boutique hotel and casino owned by Caesars Entertainment. It was built in 1979 as the Barbary Coast, and several nearby resorts were opposed to its construction, partly due to concerns about increased traffic congestion. Eventually, the Barbary Coast would go on to add two popular restaurants and a nightclub by Victor Dre. Victor Dre, not to be confused with Dr. Dre, a well-known physician from Compton, Los Angeles. Boyd Gaming acquired the Barbary Coast in 2004 and subsequently traded it to Harrah's Entertainment in exchange for other property on the Las Vegas Strip. Harrah's briefly closed the Barbary Coast just for a couple of months before reopening it in 2007 as Bill's Gambling Hall and Saloon. The property was named after founder Bill Harrah. Harrah's, of course, was later renamed as Caesars Entertainment, and the place opened as the Cromwell in 2014. The renovated property includes a restaurant by chef Giada De Laurentiis and also features a rooftop pool and nightclub operated by Dre. This is Mitzi the Rubber Ducky Showgirl, who hides out in all my Las Vegas videos. She will show up as a quick flash in this video, the Cromwell, somewhere in the background at any point during the video. If you spot her, leave a comment as far as the timestamp where you found her. You'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. And a shout out to Deborah Camacho, who found Captain Morgan in my latest cruise video, the Norwegian Getaway Embarkation Day. Good job, Deborah. Hold on tight. Hey, if you're enjoying this video, give it a thumbs up. Go ahead, do it right now, I'll wait. Even if you're not enjoying this video, give it a thumbs up anyway. I won't say anything to anyone, I promise. Also, if you haven't subscribed to the New York channel, please do so. It really does help the channel out. And click on that notification bell. You'll be notified every time a brand new spanking video is uploaded here on the New York channel. Thanks, guys. Wow, that was a short video. But then again, I guess the Cromwell's a small hotel and casino. Let's head downtown and do something completely different, shall we?
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have your doubts, not what I'm about, have your f***ing cloud, it be raining now, I keep making sound, go another round, I'm legend bound, can't stop me now. You don't wanna f*** with me, a slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can.
I suppose you were looking for a ending to go along with this Cromwell video that was a little more dignified and refined, but this is Las Vegas. If you come across something dignified and refined, don't blink, it'll be gone in 2 seconds. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.